Yeah. Time. Treat his family. Teach your money now. Yeah. Ebusianfo. Isi ya yeni abreu. Yeni abre. Or say any word, especially with the youth. So what you say? We must work hard. Change our mind. Our president, our leaders. They don't want to listen to the voice of the people. So always we are obeying the rule of the white men. But I've not seen the rule you were able to give to the white men. So we are here obeying always. No problem. That one, there's no problem with that one. But I am saying, Sister Dakoba, Africa, I'm calling upon all the African leaders to legalize marijuana or cannabis, or marijuana, especially we, Shavra and Deer, Indian Herb, legalize marijuana or ban salt or sayinji marijuana. Yinjin tu na yentini cultivity yendo na yeso yen making money on it, or we should ban salt from Africa. I know what exactly I'm talking about. We should legalize marijuana or ban salt. Marijuana. Do you know the health benefit of marijuana? Do you know the financial side, the economical side of marijuana? First question. You say we should not cultivate marijuana. Anamabua. Excellent majatum. This shows that in Africa and abroad, they don't cultivate marijuana. So where you be here, they say policemen arrest somebody with marijuana. We smoker. Ghana, after announcing, your son will be your friend, a weed teacher. Your son will be your friend, a weed teacher. So if you say we should not cultivate marijuana, marijuana, where people are be getting it from to buy, or where people are be getting it from to smoke. I know you will tell me, because in what sense? Because I know you will tell me that marijuana, share obobodam. So share marijuana, when you smoke it, you will go mad. I know that this is what you tell me. But what about salt? Question number one. Is everybody who smoke marijuana who go mad? No. And you be marijuana and about them. That is number one. Number two, even the smokies of marijuana, do you know what it does to the system? Salt, when you take a lot of salt, do you know the damages it's caused to the body? So I didn't know a side effect. So we should ban it. And the sugar, and also a side effect. So why are we still importing sugar to Africa or to Ghana or wherever? If because of the side effect, if it is because of the side effect of marijuana, that is why you ban it. There's a ban on it, especially in Africa. Then there must also be a ban on sugar. There must also be a ban on salt and a whole lot of things, because all these things contains what? Side effect. They all have side effect. Why they ask Africa not to cultivate marijuana? Because it is we the African. Yena yowo asasi papa yebiti me bia marijuana na eyiye na ye dia akura ne dia ye dia come market. Do you know the health benefit of marijuana? Say Peter Mankwa. The health benefit of marijuana. Marijuana can treat sickness like glaucoma. Marijuana is used in treatment of glaucoma. And the coming now. Etimi treaty arthritis. Do you know arthritis? Marijuana etimi treaty arthritis. And marijuana or treaty hepatitis C. Hepatitis C. Marijuana belongs to the families of cannabis. Can treat that thing. We use marijuana. Anxiety, or anxiety, or when I say, or on feeling fine. I want to move any of the accounting now. The American man can say, get me well. And poor. Let me ask you a simple question. Which group of people love themselves more than we smokers? And you be a ho. Minim nande badu. Padi bi no de mamu. Minim nande badu. Padi bi no de mamu. Ose mechichi de yatu meshia meti pombe ko. Oka se yenyum keke. Oka se yenyum na kwanetu keke. Eye fat, a song based on fat. This I'm paying for. Oh, check it the whole way. Ghana is the third marijuana consumer. The whole way. Ghana is the third. Check it. Why check it? Ghana is third in consumptions of marijuana. Naka World Cup na yekoi. FIFA World Cup na yekodi te naka yanyade. Anka oninje. FIFA World Cup na yekodi te naka oninje. The world cleanest countries and Ghana dictated and Kaninje. Marijuana, Ghana to me dictate. So you can see that it is causing financial problem to us. We don't cultivate it, yet we are able to be paid. It means we so mpayfo abrofo omakatre ye Africa, ye leaders na say ban marijuana in your nation. Don't allow anybody to smoke it. It means in Africa, I am taking it as it is. It means in Africa, no cultivations of marijuana. India helps, Shabra and Dien. It means there's no cultivations of India hemp. Say young cultivati, Ghana. Togo young cultivati, Burkina Faso young cultivati, Cameroon, and the Cameroon. Say young cultivati, Nigeria, then if you don't cultivate marijuana in these countries, where did Ghanaian get it from? And smoke till they become dead in the whole world. It means still some people will be cultivating it. This is what I want you to understand. So you say Africa, Ghana, we should not cultivate marijuana. So a law, if this law, the whole world, USA, Mexico, they also obey this law. And Ghana for omo konya we no way and almost see am that ted. Oh, we are seeing now. Omo konya no way. Just still somebody is cultivating it. It means somebody is still cultivating it. And the person is cultivating it and is making money. He's making money on it. Somebody is still cultivating the thing and ask you don't do it. Just like they say we should not cultivate marijuana. Just a marijuana, it is not good. So my India, we majiatum. Just say we enye correct enye good nti mayembia majetum say yembia marijuana awo Africa just say abrofo so mo ye de omo so mo ndua yemfa na say abrofo so mo ye de omo so mo ndua nti say abrofo mo ndua Africa yembia Asia yembia Ghana for konya no wenhin anamanfo mo konya no wenhin a omo tinya siam still ne marijuana da so we say Still, yes, anti on news say obi trafficking or trafficking marijuana and ye kwacheno. It means somebody is still making money over the thing. And you catch a year before. Essence a year na your assassin papa. You bet me via other way. I'm making money on it, you know. Omaka says a year. So this is our mentality. This is what the people are doing to us. Our leaders must stand up on their feet. It is time we transcend ourselves from being a puppet. The grandpapas are there controlling us. Yena yokuta asase. If I should list the health properties of marijuana, oyembe show. Look at a krobimo, even in drinking bar, top bar, it is there you can buy. I almost here, man, a police for the policemen should arrest people who are smoking marijuana. But okoye researcher bebree smokers of marijuana. On my dear, huh? Do you know what smokers of marijuana do? We have land. We can make money over this thing. Even a lot of drugs we buy, a lot of drugs, tablets that we buy, there is marijuana in. And yet, Roboni diao. Cream, inquire desra, bebre marijuana woman. Dia ye de rasta, opeso ye rasta, bebre marijuana woman. Yaleba bebre, obasa, you are to use marijuana. Only say, what for marijuana? And there are some herbs, and the other natural herbs. No, I will teach that thing. The day I will teach herb, marijuana plus some different herbs. Okabomwa, do you know that it's slow? It's slow. Obia oye HIV patient. Obia wo HIV. And now marijuana plus other herbs. Okabom, no the yedrua. What you say is slow no. You can live longer. By the day I will teach herb, I will talk about it. Okay, top weed smoking country. Countries almost see we pa. Ye top most 15 top countries are almost see we. Ghana that third. Only number one, North Korea, consumption, processing, and cultivation for in public accepted. North Korea, cultivations of marijuana accepted, and they are making money over it. You the country me bomb di nyina, she said on life. North Korea, number one, top 15 top weed smoking countries. Number one, North Korea. Number two, Cambodia. Only Cambodia. Number two, Cambodia. It is nominal illegal. Though yakase we know illegal, but it is used openly. Still, obetinya use no openly. Obi anya ohwe. Do you want to tell me that all the people in North Korea are mad? All the people in North Korea, if smoking of weed will make people mad, that is why we should ban it. It means all the citizens of North Korea, are they all mad? Or all the citizens of Cambodia, they are all mad? Is it what you want to tell me? And number three, top 15 weed marijuana smoking countries. Number three, G-H-A-N-A, Ghana. I have research na meyeyo. Ghana, ye the third. Let's say African Kappa. Na ye call the 18. You call West Kappa, na ye call the 20th. You have already budget. Hope and prosperity. India marijuana. Na ye fan market. Ye fan web market and make money over it. Africa for nature. The nature has blessed Africa. That is why always I say something. Africa is the richest continent, yet Africans are the poorest people because we don't know how to take advantage of our natural things. Africa, man, is the richest continent among all. But Africans are the poorest people on this planet. Why? 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 Number 4. Netherlands. Free smoking. Netherlands. Only Netherlands. Holland. Netherlands. Free smoking of marijuana. So you want to tell me all this Van Persie, Aya Robin, Oma Boda. And you want to before, you sound Pesica, Nea, Yasan, I could try ticket, Nea Kowako, Ako Bobra. Number 5, Uruguay. Luis Suarez, no club. Uruguay. Top 15 weed smoking country. More than 5. Number 6, Iceland. She countries are bomb. Iceland try which Ghana that third. But these people, some of them are stone countries. So stone aboba and no more say so. Nkrofo wait me dua we na ya kokrebi abashi. Don't tell me smoking of weed get people mad. I'm saying that if it is because of the side effect, say a side effect nin kekente, and I say man yembia marijuana, and inchini salt, and also say yembanino. And here, salt also has side effect. Salt can give you hypertension. I hope you are aware. Salt can block your veins for the blood flow. I hope you are aware. Salt can give you sexual weakness for the men. I hope you are aware. And a whole lot. So, if it is because of the side effect, then anything that has side effect must be banned. Sugar, it gives diabetes. So we must ban sugar. Oko drastor, oko to drua. Ya trust say fancy. Call baby atro caution. Just one fancy says here. Over side effect. Just say that thing must not be sold at all. So don't tell me that because marijuana and India helps a side effect and see it should be banned. No. Condom. I talk at the share your bema and your amount at the boat your mind. I know any side effect. Do you know the side effect inside? But not because of the side effect. We are not looking at the side effect. So what you say? Phone, mobile phone you use only when the side effect. The side effect of mobile phone, the radiation that it gives. So because there is a side effect on mobile phone, so we should stop using it. Car, the two coin. Car, the two coin. Only when the side effect. Because car has side effect, so we must stop using car. What are you telling me? Number 7, Czech Republic. 15.2% of their population is weed smokers. Czech Republic, number 7. Number 8, Nigeria, number 8. Year County, top 15 weed smoking country. Number 8, Nigeria. Number 9, Jamaica. Nti Ghana kraba da dansa na Jamaica eba. Hi! Ghana the 3rd, Jamaica the 9. In consumption of marijuana. When I finish this one, I will go to the country that cultivates marijuana. You will see a lot of people here who are consumers. A lot of them are cultivators. They cultivate it and they smoke. Ghana, we don't cultivate, but we smoke it till we are dead. Meaning we are be spending money Number 10, Portugal. Portugal, Ronaldo Kroos. Ronaldo, Nani Kroos. Almost 10. Number 11, US. America, US. And that, ye ranky, we 15 top we smoky country. USA that 11. Into USA. At the 11. And Ghana that 3rd. Nigeria that 8th. Sanka ye na yetimi via de we at the call well marketer. Look at the money we will make in Africa. And we say some. And we say some that the people who should represent us, represent us on in the world basis are there like dogs. They are there like dogs, and it is somebody which is controlling them. We need leaders like Gaddafi, leaders like Mugabe. Go and do deep research about the death of Gaddafi. Deep. I'm saying deep. This is how I do my research. Do deep research about the cause of Gaddafi. Patrice Lumumba of Congo. There's a book over it. Win saison au Congo. And I connect. Type Patrice Lumumba. Read about him. Thomas Sankara. We need leaders like that. Thomas Sankara, Patrice Lumumba, Gaddafi, Robert Mugabe. Because they are not buying into the agendas of our colonial masters, they have rejected them all. Because they say, no, we African, we can also do something on our own. And they say, no, then we have to remove you. So when you are there and you are ready to do their will, they will support you all the time. That is why in Africa, we gather money, go to the white men, buy weapons, come back to the house and kill our own people. That is why Africans, we gather money, go to abroad, go to the white men, buy weapons from them. When we come back to Africa, is to make war between ourselves. This is all we know. This is the only thing we know. Spending money rough on unnecessary things. Do you know the money if you can cultivate marijuana in Africa? If you say individuals should not cultivate it, what about the government? If individuals shouldn't cultivate it, at least the government must cultivate it. And it will be under supervision. So what you say? Sister Dakoba, new generation. Number 12, New Zealand. New Zealand, another number 12. 15 top weed smoking country. New Zealand, number 12. Number 13, Zambia. Zambia, just say top 15 African country, 3 and the pew. Zambia, number 13. And number 14, Spain. Spain, in Yesa group. And number 15, Australia. Australia. Afi, listen to the 10 top cultivators. Your countries are more cultivated, and your countries are almost shikeke. Countries who smoke, Ghana is part. Afi, countries who cultivate. Let's see. Number 1, US. USO. United States. They are the number 1, according to research. Number 1. Hey. The number 1 marijuana cultivators the whole world. US. Na enye US for we mo. Anyo na mo leading. No one catch say ye man yendua marijuana. We should not cultivate. That is why we have to take our money, go to them to buy it. So they are making the money. the money over it. Bra Peter Amankwa GH, I hope you will now understand me. You will now understand what I'm talking about. They say we should not cultivate. They put ban on it, and our leaders, they have accepted it so. But they themselves, they are cultivating it. US, #1 cultivator of marijuana. #2, Morocco. Morocco, Africa here. Africa here, Morocco. #2. #3, Afghanistan. 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 #3. #4, Mexico. At first, it was Mexico. But once a man for Babo, and I'm to Mexico. Mexico. #4. Top 10 marijuana cultivated countries. Countries almost dear marijuana pa. And I'm a boss woman. Mexico. #5, Colombia. Colombia. And #6, Paraguay. Paraguay. #7, Jamaica. Jamaica. #7. #8, Canada. #9, Nigeria. And #10, India. Ghana. Ghana, yeah, that third in consumption. Away. Consumption, your African countries, 3. Cultivating, your African countries, 2. Nigeria and Morocco. Consumption, your 3. But cultivating, your 2. So are we losing or we are gaining? It means we consume, but we don't produce. How can we develop? Debia auto, always you buy, but you never produce. How can you develop your economy? If the import is more than the export, show me the businessman you are. If you're a businessman and your import is more than the export, show me the exchange way. I am saying until our leaders will start considering the words of little boy like us, you will see. You will see. Tazi, you say you already budget. Our Ghana hope and prosperity. Hope, I can't prosperity. No, prosperity will not come just like that until we put our hand inside. Without our effort, there wouldn't be any prosperity. We have engineers in Africa. A little road, a quite 50 kilometers near Brazil for, near China for. So when our own people are going to have value in our eyes, values and marijuana, even smokers of the marijuana. Tell me the group of people who love themselves more than we smokers. When we do we smokers, we kakrebi akampo say, oh Charlie, make you killer. No their money. Then your social or two no so their mafufro. Oh masa kill him. Or then kill him, sir. We kiti about 10 people, they were all smoking. The hennes or tree back. But you say you're quite sorry. Say you say Ghana, a Christian country. Or did dokun mole 2 or cotton cra dokun or did nadam for bar. No, that they are Canadian. No, they see. No, they see. So as some two, we smoke abakwa. Look at how the friends motivate themselves to support. So don't go there at all. They are a group of people who love themselves to the extent. They are a group of people who love themselves to the extent. So what I say, I'm saying that legalize marijuana or ban salt. And salt is so and also a side effect. The much consumption of salt can give you cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular. on your cardiovascular, about your heart related disease. You can get it from salt. Excessive consumption of salt give you cardiovascular diseases. It give you stroke. Odi nchini bebrea, obenya stroke. It's salt or side effect and only side effect. Salt or side effect and only side effect. Yellow be a friend of the wedema swelling or one or baby ne ahun ne wafun aye ne ehumba swelling. Excessive consumption of salt give a sickness called wedema, which is the act of swelling. You'll start swelling. It is salt or side effect and only side effect. Yes, so another disease are your friend then bloating, stomach fatness. Stomach fatness. What didn't you bebrea? Won't say, oh, you feel satiated. Yes, bloating, stomach fatness. It is salt or side effect and only side effect. Some also side effect. So why are we still using salt publicly? The marijuana na die. Dia no mo yebetimi yenya sika nkese e wo so no die. Abrofo say don't do it. And that's what you say here. Yate. Dogmatism. Yem bisa na ho question. Legalize marijuana. Farmers can make money over it. Farmers, cocoa no kra na ye bia Ghana ha no kra no. You don't want to value it again. Cocoa. Instead of you to increase the price of the cocoa so that our farmers can also be able to buy one bicycle for themselves. Our leaders say no. So the farmer is poor, the controllers are rich. The farmer, the one who cultivated the cocoa, is poor. Obi or your cocoa farmer, go and ask him how many years in a wedi Milo. Chocolate. How many years in a wedi chocolate? And that's a Milo. With dibiache papa. So as you see, with Milo ne biache. See, it is time we start raising up. It is time we start raising up. Ye dia grododo. It is salt or side effect. Marijuana or side effect. Marijuana or okuta a lot of health benefits. So we should see to it. Marijuana, a lot. Alzheimer prevention, glaucoma, arthritis, hepatitis C, anxiety, improves lungs health. Your lungs. Yetime use marijuana. Yedie o lungs no. Na eye juma kama. Eye efindi ede. Every o lungs no mo. Chemo support. Severe pain. Obi a was severe pain. Ana nausea. Ana sade ni na. Etime yi ni every ho. Slow cancer. Obi or consuming marijuana. Cancer on tanchi no. Cancer on tanchi marijuana consumer. You don't know. Obi ba say coke. Nausea, cancer then na away. Brain support. It help the brain after confusion. Only confusion. Obi on your problem. And adrenaline problem ya ba ho. Confusion. Go and look for the meaning of the word. Confusion. Obi o use we on your problem no. Correcting na. But I'm not here today to promote the smoking of marijuana. But we have billions of other ways you use marijuana. We, Indian herbs, Shabra Indian, we have billion ways you use no. Nti enye smoking nko. So if because of the side effect you want it to be banned, then anything else that has side effect must also be banned. If because of the side effect of marijuana, you want marijuana to be banned in Africa, then anything else which has side effect in Africa must also be banned, prohibited. Masemani. Abusuya, menemoni nkomo nche. Ti epese ye hu nyama. The number one cultivator of marijuana, USA, Morocco, Jamaica, and the What about Africa? What about Ghana? What about Togo, Burkina Faso? Anya habona your agricultural land asase papa ye betimi bia ade no ne ya de call well market ne yenye ne husika ye jiminti. They say we should not cultivate it, and yes you say yo yentimi an bisa na who question. Yentimi bisa na who question because nipa ye catch and say don't cultivate it no ya man share dada or the share no bottom nti nanye onju obi ahun bio. Onju obi ahun bio. Onju obi ahun bio. Say so what? If you stop cultivating it, you will stop consuming it. Number one, go arrest the God who created marijuana. God who created marijuana. You are to arrest that God. So what you are saying? Ebusiam. You know, see her. Why? Truth telling time, Dakoba, our YouTube. There are many other videos over there. Obian subscribe channel no. Na yanko name. Truth telling time. YouTube they know Dakoba so why? Page na ye truth telling time. Facebook. By YouTube no a truth telling time Dakoba. No so na wa subscribe. Na ye nyina yetimi ko no. O tapi Dakoba keke kra. Eba no wakọ weni. Madam say e we sensia. Bye bye. Legalize marijuana or ban salt. Bye bye.